Hello, I would like to present to you the first milestone of AlphaAPY. During this phase we completed the basic implementation of all core components and mock data was added to help fully visualize and understand the project structure. And let's move to functionality. Swaps were implemented, so let's connect wallet. Let's use this one to not waste time for approves. Okay, have some ICP. Let's swap it, for example, to Panda. So now we got two quotes, one from ICP swap, second one from con swap. I will show it in the code. And let's make a swap. So, okay, it's done, swap successful, we received, balance has changed. Let's go back, so everything works here, so maybe some additional metrics we need. Slippage possible to change slippage. Yeah, that's probably pretty much it on this screen. Let's go back. So after I connected wallet, you can see your statistic at platform statistics on this screen. On this screen you can see strategies. For now there are two strategies, cheap test strategy 1, cheap test strategy 2. Some data is mocked, but most of functionality already here. Like there are no strategies for now because, like you see, there are like total two users deposited probably on this strategy. We tested with this strategy, and yeah, for now my statistic is 0. Like let's go to strategy. So I can see my 146 Panda, no deposits. Like this is mock, this also mock. Here you can see details. We plan to keep here tokens and like some providers information, so it's docs. And let's try to deposit to canister. So the idea is that we deposit Panda, we make swap with the best price, but not on fronted, already in the canister. I will show functionality, and after this, canister will automatically rebalance between ICP swap and conc swap. Let's try to deposit something, maybe 10 Panda. Yeah, deposit takes some time. So now what's going, like, first of all, we make ICRC to approve, then canister receives 10 Panda, then fetch two quotes, one from conc swap, second one from ICP swap, compare it, then swap, and then deposit to conc swap or to ICP swap, depends on who propose best APY for this pair. Let's give it some time. Yes, several update calls on canister side. We plan to remove this window and just pull information on behalf of user because it doesn't make sense to wait. Okay, deposit successful. Let's wait a bit, see that user balance changed. Okay, minus 10 tokens. Let's go back. Let's wait a bit. Okay, maybe let's refresh the page to speed up a bit Redux. Okay, now we can see that something is deposited. I have one strategy in my statistic with some average APY, which is equal to this APY. My strategy, so we filter it. Here you can find some documentation. And let me also show you maybe, some interface, what else, events. So we have two types of events, system events and user events. This is user events. You can see last deposit, like by principle, definitely it's rough for now. Let's withdraw. Let's withdraw all liquidity. Withdraw also takes some time. We need to do something with it or not. Keep user in front of the screen for 10 seconds or 12, whatever. So technically, for now, we receive liquidity for this user from ConkSwap or ICP swap, make swap with best, and return 10 panda back. Let's give it some time. It have to be updated. Yeah, okay. It returned. Also, we have profile, but mostly mocks for now. Yeah. Yeah, probably that's it regarding front end. Maybe let me show you a code. On front end, what interesting is swap service. Swap service is pretty big. So we built two shrofs. Each shrof is for ConkSwap and ICP swap. Obviously, like it's like some interface and then implementation of quote. Like it's almost ready and then it done it as it have to be. If we go to like some abstractions for shrof and conk shrof, like with some overrided methods, and maybe ICP swap shrof. Yeah, a lot of code here, so please take a look. And mostly React, Redux, and TypeScript. No magic here. Let's move to backend. Backend is much more sophisticated. So we have like 4 main folders: external canisters, libraries, and pull stats. In external canisters, we did a really big piece of work. We defined all interfaces, all needed interfaces for ConkSwap and for ICP swap. If you go here, you can find every canister from these two liquidity provider, and all interfaces are defined here. Queries, all updates. Yes, okay. In libraries, there are some shared libraries. We have 2 main canisters. Vault exactly, which holds all strategies, and pull stats. Few months ago, we saw that ConkSwap changed their API, and we decided to not rely on external API as much as we can, obviously, and we we created new canister, and we add liquidity to each pool in ConkSwap and each pool in ICP swap, and we have a timer in this canister, and this canister requests all metrics for each pool each hour. So technically we have snapshots of balance changes, and by this statistic we can decide what to do with users liquidity. So it is done in a pull stats canister and vault canister, also pretty big one. A lot of test method for now. So strategies, basic strategy, implementation, services, like everything is here. Yes, what we can find here, maybe like few words, like a liquidity service. In liquidity service we define which router to use. Token swaps, ICP swap, Kong swap, yeah, their API, and like in swap client there are two methods, swap and quote, and we use it in swap service, and like ICP swap and Kong swap obviously implement it, like everything in swap service can be found. In providers defined all interfaces for ICP swap, you can see everything here, everything for Kong swap, how we communicate with it. Pull stats canisters, as I mentioned already. And yeah, probably that's pretty much it. I already added Marco and Moritz to GitHub. Guys, please take a look. Yeah, probably that's it. Thank you.